Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Koi Quiz. In today's video, can you guess Italian brain rot mess by Emoji? You have 25 questions and 10 seconds to answer correctly. Before starting, please subscribe to Koi Quiz channel. Ready? Let's begin. These emojis are spinning and twirling. Who's dancing into view? It's Ballerina Lololo. Great pick. Graceful, creamy, and full of flair. Who matches this combo? It's Ballerina Cappuccina. You got it! Would you rather Tung Tung Sahur subscribe or Tralalero Tralala comment the video? Tropical and cozy, with a hint of mama energy. Who could it be? It's Octopusini Mama. Nailed it. Messy, saucy, and a bit unexpected. Who fits this plate? It's spaghetti toaletti. Well done! Bold and caffeinated with style. Who's behind this set? It's Espressona Signora. Correct! Hot, fast, and a little unpredictable. Who's this emoji storm? It's Pot Hotspot. Nice job! Smooth, elegant, but a little dangerous. Guess who? It's Cappuccino Assassino. Spot on. A beat that keeps building. Can you feel the rhythm? It's Udin Din Din Dun. You nailed it! Tentacles and blueberries? That's a unique mix. It's Bluberini Octopusini. Right on. Strong, sturdy, and surprisingly toasty. Who is it? It's Rhino Toasterino? Exactly. Funky, fruity, and totally wild. Who fits these emojis? It's Chimpanzini Bananini. You got it. Find the odd emoji. Good job! Roaring and juicy. This mix can only mean one thing. It's Tigraligra Fruttoni. Great answer. Stripes and chaos. This combo is wild. It's Zebra Zebralini. That's correct. Loud, speedy, and totally on the move. Who is it? It's Bulbito Bandito Tractorito. Well played. Short, loud, and repeatable. Familiar vibes. It's Tob Toby Tob Tob. You guessed it. A snort and a boom. This one's explosive and sweet. It's Svinino Bombardino. Nailed it! sing-songy and unpredictable. Who fits this combo? It's Tralalero Tralala. That's right. Sweet and splashy, tropical fun in emoji form. It's Bananita Dolphinita. Nice one. Loud, fast, and full of sound effects. Know this one? It's Trick Track Baraboom. Boom! Snappy and dramatic. Who's hiding in this wild combo? It's Bombardino Coccodillo. Great choice. Bubbly and a little bit loopy. Who's behind this chaos? It's Burbaloni Luliloli. You got it. A marching rhythm with power. Who could that be? It's Tatatata Sahur. Correct. Would you rather click for the next video or click to subscribe? Choose before the time runs out. Thanks for playing. Write your score in the comments to get a greetings from Koi.